Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use keyboard shortcuts, Playback, in Spotify applications. So how to use keyboard shortcuts, Playback, in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Well, here you are on the main Spotify display. Next I went to Playlist which I previously ran. Spotify provides a variety of playback functions to give users full control in enjoying music. Tap. Space. The play or pause function allows users to start or pause playback of songs or content that is being played. Tap. Alt-Shift-B can be seen here. The like function is used to save songs to a list of favorite songs and help the algorithm recommend similar music. Tap. CRTLS. Can be seen here. Shuffle allows randomizing the order of songs in a playlist, album, or queue for a more varied listening experience. Tap. CRTLR. Can be seen here. Repeat allows users to replay songs or entire playlists or albums continuously. Tap. CRTL right arrow. Can be seen here. Skip to next function to jump to the next song in the queue or playlist. Tap. CRTL left arrow. Skip to previous allows users to return to the previous song. Tap. Shift left arrow or right arrow. Can be seen here. Seek forward and seek backward allow users to jump forward or back a few seconds on the song being played. Tap. CRTL up arrow or down arrow. Can be seen here. Lower volume and raise volume help users adjust the volume level of audio playback as needed. All these functions provide flexibility in setting up the listening experience on Spotify. So that's it. Tutorial how to use keyboard shortcuts, Playback, in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.